Welcome to JH. Today we're diving into the world of Audiox, a website that claims you can make a living just by listening to music. Because clearly, the economy was just waiting for a way to pay you for your impeccable taste in lo-fi beats. I've done the research, and what I found is about as pleasant as a scratched CD. Audiox promises easy money for streaming songs online. And while the site looks professional at first glance, it's really just a shiny digital coat of paint on a very old trap. When something sounds this good, it usually means someone is trying to sell you a bridge. Let's break down the major red flags that make this a total circus. First, the payout structure is pure fantasy. They promise unrealistic amounts of money for simply listening to tracks. Think about it. Real streaming giants like Spotify pay artists fractions of a cent per stream. Yet this random website claims they can pay you significantly more? Unless they've discovered a magic money tree in their server room, the math simply doesn't add up. Second, there is absolutely zero proof that anyone has actually seen a dime. The testimonials look like they were written by a very tired bot, and verified payment screenshots are as rare as a unicorn in a business suit. Then there is the total lack of transparency. You won't find any information about who runs the company or where they are located, which is a great vibe for a secret society, but a terrible one for a financial platform. Furthermore, they push referrals harder than a gym bro pushes protein shakes. This is classic pyramid scheme behavior where the earnings mostly come from dragging your friends into the same bottomless pit. The whole thing is designed to keep you hooked with fake credits until the entire structure inevitably collapses under its own weight. Here is how the scam typically plays out. You sign up and see some small credits accumulate, making you feel like a digital mogul. But the moment you try to actually cash out, the hurdles appear. They'll suddenly demand your personal information, bank details, or even processing fees to release your non-existent funds. Users report being banned right before payday, proving the goal isn't to pay you, but to harvest your data. Security experts have given this site a trust score lower than a politician's approval rating, flagging it for suspicious operations and potential identity theft. If you actually want to make money online, there are legitimate ways to do it that don't involve selling your soul to a mysterious website. You could try established platforms like Swagbucks, user testing, or freelance work on Fiverr. Sure, these require actual effort, which is a bit of a bummer, but at least they won't sell your identity to the highest bidder. My final verdict on Audiox? It's a scam. Don't waste your time, don't give them your data, and definitely don't plan your retirement around it. Remember, if someone promises easy money for doing nothing, you're usually the one being played. Stay safe out there, and thanks for watching.